Ottawa. Parliament Hill, the Mint. And you're stuck reading a plaque a guide already rushed past. Group tours that hurry you off Parliament Hill in 5 minutes. A script recited fast while you're still trying to take in the Royal Canadian Mint. Uvamai's Ottawa self-guided audio tour puts the capital's landmarks entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Start near Ottawa's Central Station, then walk into the grandeur of Parliament Hill and the Peace Tower. Step inside the story of the Royal Canadian Mint, wander the historic streets around the Byward Market, and let each stop unfold in its own time, no crowd deciding your pace. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Ottawa, not just photograph it. $6. Ottawa's landmarks, history, and hidden corners. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.